My clients often face regulatory hurdles as one of their biggest challenges. I have a variety of clients that range from transportation to chemical manufacturing to manufacturing, and oftentimes navigating those regulatory hurdles and figuring out how to stay compliant at different stages of their projects can be the biggest headaches, and we're able to come in and just remove those headaches for them. To address some of these challenges, we will involve folks from multiple practices depending on what the project is and where they are in the project timeline. So it's usually early on in a project where we're doing source characterization of soil, sediments, or groundwater. It's important for us to engage permitting folks early on so they understand the site needs, the project needs. We have permitting folks or folks with permitting experience in all of our action groups, and they're able to come in and help us figure out which agencies we need to be interacting with and at what times and what additional assessments or additional work we need to do prior to getting those permits. We are really great at managing those relationships with regulators, because regulators between different agencies, different states, state or federal, they can all have different opinions, and it can be very subjective on how they interpret regulations. So that's just one way that we'll remove that headache for those clients. One of the main reasons that Geosyntec is different from your typical consulting firm is our vast diversity of experience. So most of the folks that we're hiring have masters or PhDs. So they've developed strong passions for what they're doing. Or we're also hiring folks who have been in consulting at other firms for several years. And then Geosyntec's really great at retaining those folks. You're not only getting just a narrow view of what one Geosyntec practitioner gets, you get input from many practitioners with that expertise and the passion to do this kind of work.